you gonna film?
I'm filming that we are going. We're going to the doctor. We're on the way to the doctor. Careful with the bumps. Your vagina hurts.
Don't record that.
Record what?
Your vag hurts.
Everybody knows I have a vag. How do you think I got a baby in there?
I know, but they don't need to know it hurts.
But it do hurt because the baby's trying to come out.
You need some couth.
I have none.
A little decorum.
I have none. You know that. 2 things I'm missing. What is it?
Decorum.
Decorum
Couth.
and couth.
Yeah.
Is that the same as home training?
Pretty much.
I have none. Okay, so we left the doctor's. No new updates. Baby's still staying put. I can still travel tomorrow. My doctor said it's okay. Check with your doctor about traveling.
Check with your doctors.
Check with your own doctor. But now Anthony's taking me to my favorite place.
Butcher shop.
The meat. We're going to call it the meat market.
The meat market.
The meat market. Because he wants to give me some meat tonight.
What do you think of that?
I don't see any steaks. So we got beef. What did we get?
Beef or ribs.
We got beef short ribs.
And three New York.
And who?
Three New York strips.
3 New York strips.
You don't like all the fat normally.
I don't like all the fat normally. And I think I'm gonna make.
What'd you say?
I'm making the vegetables.
Yes, you're making the vegetables. I'll do the steaks and the short ribs.
He's a good man, Savannah. A good man.